The following portion of Daytime Tri-Cities is sponsored by State of Franklin Healthcare Associates. State of Franklin Healthcare Associates is a leader when it comes to primary care in our region, and this morning Dr. Frank Johnson joins us to discuss why State of Franklin Healthcare Associates makes sense when you're looking for health care for you and your family. Good morning, Doctor. How are you doing today?
Good morning. I'm good, thank you.
Let's talk about, I mentioned primary care. What makes SOFA the best for primary care in our region?
Well, first, thank you for the opportunity to be here.
Yes.
And over the past 25 years, I've been with State of Franklin Healthcare, or SOFA. I think there are several good reasons for this, but primarily it's our people. It's our team. It's our providers. It's our strong support staff to those providers. It's the culture they have, which is a patient-focused, patient-centered culture. And that's the strongest, I think, factor that makes us one of the better choices for primary care. We have a continuum of clinicians across the spectrum of primary care. I think we cover it quite well.
Right.
This includes OB, family medicine, pediatrics, internal medicine, GYN, hospitalists, skilled nursing care, and palliative care. And most importantly, these individuals, these practitioners, these people, they're very caring, they're very compassionate, and they're very competent at what they do.
That makes for a good outcome for your patients. And speaking of your patients, what over your years at SOFA, what improvements have you seen to benefit those patients?
We've not only increased in size, we've increased in the services that we offer to help our patients with their multiple medical needs, and this has improved availability to the patients, accessibility to the patients, and also we've improved affordability of patient care or cost for them. And we have our own urgent care. We also have pediatric night clinic, an acute care clinic. We have an imaging center, a complete lab, a sleep center. We also have clinical pharmacists on staff. We have a dietitian, we have case managers, we have social workers, and these are all available to the patient.
Right.
And not only to the patient, but to the physician, and there's direct and indirect improvements here. With all the support, the physician is able to spend more time to focus on the patient, be it their preventive care needs or chronic care management with hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, diabetes, heart disease, sleep apnea, COPD.
Covering the entire spectrum of care.
Yes, primary care. We focus on the patient, and we focus on primary care.
And we've been through this pandemic, and we looks like we're coming out of it a bit here. The numbers are down around our region. Talk to me about some of the innovations that SOFA has come up with during the pandemic for the benefit of patients.
Our IT department quickly brought up virtual medicine in the forms of audio and visual telemedicine, and that kept us in contact with our patients so we could continue their care. We also developed some programs and brought up some off-site and drive-through treatment programs, which were extremely well received by the patients and really protected everyone in the COVID environment. Initially, we had trouble obtaining the vaccine for COVID, and we were proactive and reached out to our local legislative contacts, and with their help, we were successful in becoming a vaccine center, and we were able to offer vaccines not only to our patients but to anyone in the region. And we have we developed a drive-through program for
Right.
the flu vaccine
Yes.
and the COVID vaccine. Also, we did a drive-through program for RSV testing, strep, flu, and COVID testing. We did over 50,000 COVID tests to date. And then when the monoclonal antibodies became available, we had a drive-through program to treat COVID with monoclonal antibodies.
Dr. Frank Johnson, thank you for taking some time with us today. We really appreciate it.
Our pleasure.
All right, folks, we've got some information for you right here about State of Franklin Healthcare Associates, located 301 MedTech Parkway in Johnson City. They would love to hear from you, and if you need more information, check out the website right there on the screen. The preceding portion of Daytime Tri-Cities was sponsored by State of Franklin Healthcare Associates.